working. I have to switch it on. Actually, the name is not right. It's Safe Dating Team. Safe Dating Team. That's the name of the application. Can you start it? And actually, it's derived from a award-winning application. We won an application, Safe Dating Hero at BlackBerry Jam. It was judged as the best e-commerce app last month. And that is about the dating of adults. Safe dating is a big problem. If you will see, when you Google safe dating, there are so many sites which do verification, and they charge money for that. And there are investigation people who make money. Yeah. That's our company, startup company, 5 programmers. That's all. And we have been doing LBS previously. We have a patent, and now we are NFC people. We have filed 2 patents this year, and one is for educational uses. And at RIMA, I gave a talk about the educational uses of new uses of NFC, and that was it at RIMA. That was my talk. And and then one use is for Montessori children, redesign of Montessori equipment. We put NFC in those rods, numerical rods, chips, and then when they come close, they talk 2 + 2 = 5 and things like that. Nobody, these equipment was designed 100 years ago. Nobody made any changes, so we put NFC chips in it, and that's our patent for NFC capable. And this is like, it can display in a colorful way the educational information. Okay, next one. The other is a NIFSEL board. Instead of one receiver, you have an array of receiver. It's like pixel, and I said NIFSEL. And then you, when you put a tag, you know the information about the identity of the tag and the location on the board. So like cell tower triangulation. So then you can do a lot of things. You can have interrelation. Say, for example, you can have a game, chess game, or you can have multi sort of input, and it depends upon the program, whatever you want to do. Educational, a strategy game, war game, you can have. Now, this is for, because we did educational applications, so we thought that we should do for teenage people also. Previously, at the BlackBerry Jam, we did the Safe Dating Hero, and now this is Safe Dating Team. So that in an interactive game where children of say 12 to above, they can play and educate. You can educate them how they are going to have actual love life in the future, not now, of course. So, and please, yeah, that's okay. After this, this is the prize we won at the BlackBerry Jam Hackathon. So we decided to do it. It has got a lot of information. It was developed by the team. So today I decided to do it on my own on Android. That was done on BlackBerry platform. So, and that's okay. We can go further. Yeah. Now, when you search Safe Dating, you get all the sites. Verification and this and all those, and like this is scams. That's what happens when you go out for. Now, methods of verification as personal in your profile. Okay, when you touch NFC capable, website dedicated, and then search engine, you can do it yourself. Then third-party investigation. That's our business model. If somebody wants third-party, professional investigation, we provide links to them. They do the investigation, we get our cut. And then personal relationship. You do all types of verification whenever you want to do it. And I think that is it. maybe there is another slide. No. Oh, there is not. Social aspect is very important. A teenager behavior depend upon the social pressure. You know. So the small application which I have prepared, you know, actually when a person does something wrong, it should be posted automatically to the Facebook profile, so that you know they know what is going to happen. So unfortunately I couldn't incorporate that Facebook portion in my, because my Android SDK crashed and I had to reinstall and all those things. But there is some small things I have been able to do with Android and SDK. I have been having only fun, nothing else. No, it should be on. Yes, and it's, yes. Let's see, it's an angel. Yeah, this is an angel. I just randomly programmed some, actually the computer programmed the cards as angels and devils, you know. So let's see. This is, no, oh, it's there. It's there, yeah, it's there, sorry. Yeah, this is a devil, okay. Now the thing is this, there is a small button on yes, I do, saying if you can see on top of it, maybe it will be visible here. Yeah, this is an angel. There is a small button. I wanted to connect this yes, I do. When you say yes, I do to devil, then that picture should go to my Facebook profile, so that I know that I did, yeah, I said yes, I do to devil. Something like that, you know. Just to show that, you know, social, if people know what I'm doing, then I will behave better. This is what, that's the basic concept of Facebook integration or whatever social media integration. That's about it, I think. I failed measurably in integrating it to Facebook. Well, otherwise, it would have been a very good thing, you know. Anyway, that's about it. Any questions? I am also a parent.
How on earth would I ever convince them to do this?
Oh, we make it fun. Game. Just a game. It's a game, you know. So that's the key, actually. And because I don't have a graphic programmer, so that's, otherwise he would have put it in a very good way that, you know, make it fun. Actually, the key is actually, say for example, a phone, in a use case, a phone can get pregnant, and people know that my phone is pregnant, you know. So they will know what is going to come in their future life, you know. So make it fun, you know. Other Safe Dating Hero was a serious application. This is fun application. We are serious about NFC, but this is non-serious application, I would say.